If ChatGPT signup is not working for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step, so you can get back to creating your account as quickly as possible. This is a simple troubleshooting guide that can help whether you're seeing an error, the page won't load, or the sign up button just isn't responding. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons signup fails. If possible, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network, or try using mobile data if your current connection is acting up. Sometimes the sign-up page may partially load, but the form won't submit properly because the connection drops in the background. So before trying anything else, make sure your internet is stable. Then refresh the page and try again. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can interfere with websites, especially sign-in and sign-up pages that rely on fresh session information. If you've tried signing up before and the page keeps glitching, clearing the cache and cookies can often fix the problem right away. After clearing them, restart your browser completely so it starts fresh. Then go back to ChatGPT and try the sign-up process again. In many cases, this alone solves the issue. Now make sure you're using the correct login method. This is a really important one. If you originally started signing up with Google, then you need to continue using Google. If you used email, then use email. If you used Apple, then use Apple. A lot of people run into problems because they try a different sign-in method than the one they used at the start, and that can cause account errors or make it look like sign-up is not working. So double-check the method you selected and use the exact same one from the beginning. If it still isn't working, disable your VPN and try again. VPNs can sometimes block or confuse sign-up verification, especially if the service thinks your connection looks suspicious or unusual. Turn off the VPN completely, refresh the page, and try creating your account again. If you don't want to turn off your VPN, another option is to switch to a different network, like your home Wi-Fi, mobile data, or a trusted hotspot. The goal is to use a clean, stable connection that doesn't trigger sign-up restrictions. After that, try the sign-up process one more time from a fresh browser session. If needed, close the browser fully, reopen it, and sign up again. Sometimes the combination of clearing cookies, using the correct login method, and disabling the VPN is enough to fix everything. If you've gone through all of these steps and ChatGPT signup is still not working, the issue may be temporary on the service side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. But in most cases, one of these 4 fixes will get you through. So just to recap, check your internet connection, clear browser cache and cookies, use the same login method you started with, and disable VPN or switch networks if needed. These simple steps solve most ChatGPT signup problems fast. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.